In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a real MT5 account on Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then inside the dashboard. Now, on the My Trading Accounts, you want to make sure that you are on the Real section. And then scroll down until you find the Add More Accounts. And what will happen is you can select different MT5 trading accounts from CFDs, Gold, Financial, Zero Spread, Crypto, and C Trader. In my case, I am going to choose a real MT5 crypto account. Click on it and what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. All you have to do now is simple. Just click the Activate Real Account. You need to choose your MT5 password to activate a real crypto account and then click the Continue button. It's a super simple. And what will happen is you will be forwarded here. Your MT5 real crypto account has been activated. You can view your account if you wanted and you will be redirected to the Deriv dashboard. And basically that's it for today's video on how to create a real MT5 account on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.